How would you define success within a neuroscience institute like the Brain Repair Center? It's to see a trainee fall in love with science. On top of that, trying to treat neurological disorders. To me, that's a great level of success, and we've got examples of that. Brain Repair Center is a neuroscience research institute at Dalhousie. Its main function is to try to understand how the brain functions.
I love that I get to help understand brain diseases. By understanding the processes that take a healthy brain and transform it into a diseased one, we not only understand the disease better, but we can diagnose it better and we can prevent it. We can intervene in these processes with medications, with treatments, and prevent the outcome.
To understand how these diseases occur and how to treat them, you actually have to find out how the brain really works. It's difficult and requires a great team to do that. The Brain Repair Center is an institute that brings that team together.
People from my end of the campus with the people in the medical school, the clinicians in the hospitals, everyone. The Brain Repair Center allows for those collaborations to begin. It provides the foundation for those collaborations to grow and to build and for you to expand into other areas.
No research can be done in a vacuum. You have to work with people, whether it's locally within Halifax, the Maritimes, across Canada, or across the world.
Through an industry collaboration with a medical startup called Imagix, we are developing technologies with advanced brain imaging and advanced algorithms to help diagnose these processes in patients who are at risk of developing depression and developing cognitive impairment and other neurological complications. In addition, we're helping patients gain clarity into their own condition, understand themselves better, understand that there is a real reason in their brains behind their symptoms, that they're not making things up, that it is a real disorder, and potentially that can also help them accept themselves and help others accept them too.
The world-class research being conducted at the Brain Repair Center wouldn't be possible without the support of our partners. Scientific research is full of problems, but it's also full of joys. So what keeps me up at night is worrying about how I'm going to move this particular problem forward. But what wakes me up in the morning and gets me to go to work is to know that there's a talented group of trainees and colleagues that can address that problem. And each day we move a little bit further.
Neuroscience at Dalhousie is world-renowned and makes me very proud to be part of it.